My name's Eric Cummins. I'm the ED Medical Director over Banner Gateway. Wanted to create a very low budget video, but I think a helpful video. It's going to show you how to insert all of your templates into a chart at one time using Dragon. So let's get started. So let's go ahead and fire up a note. This is a test patient, so it's not going to have vital signs and everything, but you'll get the picture. So when you go up to doing a dynamic documentation note, a lot of us are just going right into the note instead of the workflow. So the Dragon process will help with that. So let's just pick an ED note, just a generic ED note, right? All right, here's what's key. So it opens up in the the little cursor markers on the history of present illness, and that is key. You want it to stay there. So I'm going to do a demonstration of something I created. So I'm going to tell Dragon to insert my ED note. Insert ED note. Okay, so just to go over what the heck just happened, it inserted all of my macros. So I have scribes, right? So it inserted my scribe attestation, and that way the scribes can go ahead and pick themselves here. And it inserted, the HPI, so that way it gets their name, their age, their gender, and I can get started here. It drops a generic review of systems. And if you go down to physical exam, you can see it dropped my normal physical exam that has been utilized across the network, and there's some drop downs, right? So you can click some different items. And it dropped my MDM, which is pretty robust. I actually got this from Dr. Keeler. I haven't made any changes to it yet. I might, but it's pretty comprehensive and has most of everything we're going to need for billing and documentation purposes, which is excellent. And then the last thing is it even goes down, and if you do have scribes, it inserts the documentation that you utilize to scribe. So really easy to insert. You can do that for different types of notes. And then in the next video, I'm actually going to go down and show you the nitty gritty of actually how you create the step-by-step process in Dragon.